Okay, this is a WordPress video for the internship class, your internship to architecture class, and this is part of the assignment. So here I took a screenshot of a student who was trying to sign up. Make sure you select free. If you want to do paid, that's up to you. But if you want to go free, it's always going to assign this .wordpress.com. So there's that one, and this page. Start with a free site. You know, these are, I mean, like I said, if you want to, you can pay. There is one that's $4 a month, and it won't attach the .wordpress in it. Premium, this gets you a little more features and stuff that you can use. But if you've ever set up like a social media like Facebook or whatever, this is pretty simple. Start with the free, see if you like it. If you don't like it, then you know there's other sources out there like WordPress. I use WordPress because to me it was fairly easy and quick to learn. I learned in a few hours and I set up an entire website. Anyway, so these are some of the pages as you're setting up your account that you have to consider. You'll also have to consider your URL name. And so this is a student in the internship to architecture course, and he decided to use his name and add the word design.wordpress.com. This is strictly for your portfolio, so you can send someone a URL to your web page. They can get a little bit about you, a little bit about your design processes and other artistic abilities outside of architecture, whether it be sketches, photography, sculptures, and what have you. Anyway, once you're all set up, you'll get to a page like this. I am creating a website for the Fullerton Architecture Club. And so I went ahead and created that, and you can actually follow along in this and start creating your own stuff. Here is your plans. You can also check stats to see who's visited your website. Since I just barely created this, there's nobody here. This is the home. These are your plans, so you can upgrade. You can do either $4 a month or $8 a month. Then it tells you all the different features, and you'll get. This is pretty much relatively cheap in plans as far as maintaining your own website, and you got a domain for a year. Right here is the site. There's different pages, posts, media, comments, feedback. You can have all these features within the free version. Now, if you come right here to design, let me back that up. Design has all the customizations that you are going to use to set up your pages. Now, if you go to pages, you don't have any pages started up yet. But you can click right here and start a page. But I don't recommend doing that yet. I do recommend you going to themes. Now you can select a theme. Some themes, they charge, and let's take a look at this one, for example. So this theme is free. It says free right here in the middle of the page. And so you can select this and activate design, and you can have this type of theme already. It's a template already built up and done for you to use. If you just want to showcase, professional portfolio, you can type in this search bar portfolio. Hit enter and go from there. You just pick something that you like and start your own page. You can use a design like this and click on Activate Design, and you can start using this template. Here's some of the pages that are on there. There's a blog, there's a style guide, and then there's an About page. We'll go over a few pages that I highly recommend. So you can either do themes or you could just customize. Click on Customize. And once it loads, I'm going to actually go ahead and pause this video for 1 second. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and choose this Ixion template. You're welcome to customize your own. You don't have to choose a template, but I'm going to go ahead and choose this one. What you can do is once you've uploaded the template, then you'll come to this page. And you'll see if you go back and let's say I choose a different template, you click this activate this design and it will bring this design. But I've already chosen this one, Ixiom. And so with this design, I'm just going to go ahead and I can create a logo. This will take you to a different page, a company that kind of helps you create a logo using like a filtering method where they use different pictures and shapes that you like, that you want, and it kind of calibrates to who you are. So I'm going to type in architecture club. Oops, I should probably spell that right. And then click on let's make a logo. So this one, it's going to ask you what type of business are you starting. You could just type in architect, and what it's going to do is it's going to create various logos. Now, these aren't logos that you are going to end up with. You just pick stuff that you think you like. And it says choose 5. And so I'm going to go ahead and do that. I like this one. I do like this one, this one, this one, and let's see what else. Kind of like that one. And then just hit continue. You're just going to come here and choose 2 different color palettes and then hit continue. You're going to do the same here. Again, these are not all set in stone. It's going to calibrate. Do you need a slogan? It's optional. So architecture, and you're going to search up to 5 different symbols. I like this one. And then you can, there's other topics that you can choose from. So I'm going to go ahead and pause this real quick. So I've chosen my 5, and they're right here. I'm going to go ahead and hit continue, and they're going to generate some designs. And, you know, here are some. Oh, let me pause this real quick. So you will have to log on to this website in order to access these. But yeah, here's some of the logos that they came up with. Not to say that this is going to be permanent, but it can give you some ideas on logos. It could be something as simple as this, simple as that. You can load more logos and continue to keep going. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and pause this. I'm gonna choose a logo, and